Hello, good afternoon, all. How are you? I hope everything will be alright. Okay, in this video, we will present the approach in classroom management. And the first thing we will discuss is the understanding of classroom management according to expert and opinion from Everson and Neil, 2005, redefine the classroom management for Learn Center classroom since the complexity of a learning center classroom increases the challenge of classroom management. On the other hand, in another recent study, Martin, Yin, and Mayal, 2006, found that females score more interventionists than males. Also in Turkey, in her study conducted on the classroom management strategies class teacher use, Errol 2006, found out that female teachers have more positive attitude towards students in terms of management strategies than male teachers.
Okay, I will continue the explanation from Anna. Expert and opinion. It can be concluded that the complexity of classroom centered on learning increases the challenge and complexity. The complexity that relies on male student and male teacher in carrying out the class compared to classroom management for female student and female teacher who are easier to manage and have a more positive attitude in managing the class management approach.
Okay, for the next slide is about the basic concept of classroom management approach. And the first is teacher's classroom management approach. This approach used to explore the process of change and to investigate consistent teacher with the new learning environment. This approach also teacher use to define information about the actual management practice in the classroom. And the next is teachers classroom management approach with respect to gender and experience. This approach used to find the differences between female and male students regarding classroom management style, teacher-student relationship, the communication and democratic attitudes. It also can make teacher decide the effective interaction and also style in the classroom. And then this approach may also show a teacher's expertise in dealing with students that have different gender in one class or in the class. The third is teachers' classroom management with respect to type of certification and branch. For this approach, to the point of classroom management is differ in traditionally certified and alternatively certified teachers. The interaction effect of this approach and the type of certification. We can find it significant based on the activity in the classroom. The type of subject may affect the CMA or classroom management approach teachers use. It was believed that basic differences exist between classroom teachers and others branch teachers, but in the slide information to verify the assumption. And the last is teacher classroom management approach with respect to average number of students. The purpose of this approach was to investigate the number of students in the class on CMA or classroom management approach. The result of interaction effect in classroom indicate the ratings of student-centered and teacher-centered management. And the result approach significantly differ to teachers who have 30 and less than students and teachers who have more than 30 students in the class.
This is the purpose of approach in classroom management. The first is classroom management can add a new dimension to teacher effectiveness assessment. The second is how policymakers develop new teacher evaluation that model for in-school inspection. And then the third is used as a resource in training prospective teacher. And then the last is beginner teacher might be informed about the result, and their repertoire of classroom management skill might be improved.
So, in conclusion, class management, it holds many benefits for students. It encouraging students to follow rules better and helps students to be more productive in class. The classroom management approach is also expected to solve problems in class, so the teacher also gets input as the student provides feedback for them. Because if this approach is only applied by the teacher without the expectations of the child response, the approach will not consider as successful. So that's it, our presentation today about approach in classroom management. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much.